Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I will show you how to change picture mode on Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So on your Hisense Smart TV, this is what to do to change your picture mode. Go over to your settings over here. As you go over to settings, the first option here is a picture. Now on the picture, there is a picture mode, which is how you want your pictures to look like on your screen while watching a movie or whatever you're watching on your Hisense TV. So there are various picture modes. I think there are around five of them. There's a standard, cinema, energy saving, dynamic, AI, sports. Now it just depends on what you're watching. If you're watching a movie, cinema can be good or dynamic. I love using dynamic. If you're watching sports, the AI sports is designed to give you the best experience while watching sports on Hisense Smart TV. There's energy saving, which is good for times when you don't want a lot of noise, want everything to be low, and there is standard, which is like the default. So you go over here, you can choose anyone you want and try it out on your Hisense Smart TV. But all of this is how you change your picture mode. You can also go to manual adjustments, but please, I only recommend you to do this if you know what you're doing over here. If you don't know what you're doing, please just allow this to default, and you can always play through the different picture modes to see what might suit you.